Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do profit and loss. Learning objectives are cost price CP and selling price SP, discount, successor discount, sales, tax, goods and service tax, that is GST. So first is cost price or CP. कॉस्ट प्राइस द अमाउंट फॉर विच एन आर्टिकल इज बॉट, जिस प्राइस पे किसी आर्टिकल को खरीदा जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सीपी. नेक्स्ट इज सेलिंग प्राइस और एसपी. द अमाउंट फॉर विच एन आर्टिकल इज सोल्ड मीन्स जिस प्राइस पे किसी आर्टिकल को बेचा जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज सेलिंग प्राइस. इफ द सेलिंग प्राइस एसपी ऑफ एन आर्टिकल इज मोर देन द कॉस्ट प्राइस, दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट और गेन. प्रॉफिट इक्वल्स टू एसपी माइनस सीपी. If SP is less than CP, then there is a loss. So loss equals to CP minus SP. Profit or loss is always expressed as the percentage of the CP. So profit percentage equals to profit upon CP into 100. Loss percentage, loss upon CP into 100%. Some other formulas. If the gain percentage is given, so SP equals to 100 plus gain percentage upon 100 into CP. Thus, if a person sells an article at the profit of 10%, SP is 110% of CP. So, CP equals to 100 upon 100 plus gain percentage into SP. Next, when the loss percentage is given, then SP क्या हो जाएगी? 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 into CP. Thus, if a person sells an article at the loss of 10%, SP is 90% of CP. So CP equals to हो जाएगी 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage into CP. Now we'll take an example. Find the gain percentage if an article costing rupees 40 is sold for rupees 56. So the cost price is 40 and selling price is 56. Means gain हो रहा है या profit हो रहा है SP minus CP. So profit of rupees 60. Now we have to find the profit percentage. So that is gain upon CP into 100%. So that is equals to 16 upon 40 into 100%. That is 40%. Clear? So gain percentage हो जाएगा 40%. Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is exercise 9.1. Critical thinking. By selling a TV for rupees 3,240, a trader gained 8%. Find the cost price of the TV. So here what is given? SP is given, that is equals to rupees 3,240 and gain or profit percentage is given, that is 8%. Now we have to find the CP. So CP equals to 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage multiplied by SP. Clear? Now we'll use this formula. 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage means 108 multiplied by 3,240. So that is equals to 810 into 100 upon 27. That is equals to rupees. That is equals to rupees 3,000. Clear? So CP कितनी हो जाएगी? Cost price, that is rupees 3,000. Next is discount. Discount or rebate is the deduction in the selling price of an article in the off-season or the festival sale. For example, an off-season discount is given on the refrigerator and fans in the winter. Discount is generally given as the percentage of the price marked on the article. So marked price is also called at list price. The price after deducting the discount from the market price is called net selling price. So net selling price क्या हो जाएगी? Marked price minus discount. उसमें से डिस्काउंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज क्या हो जाएगा? डिस्काउंट अपॉन मार्क प्राइस इनटू 100%. इफ डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज इज गिवन, नेट सेलिंग प्राइस 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज अपॉन 100 इनटू मार्क प्राइस. मार्क प्राइस इक्वल्स टू हो जाएगा 100 अपॉन 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज. multiply by net selling price. Now we'll take an example. A shopkeeper offered 12% discount on all cash purchase of blankets. What cash amount will the customer pay for the blanket marked as rupees 650? So discount, that is 12% of 650. So that is equals to 78 rupees ka discount. Now the cash amount to be paid, net selling price. तो मार्क प्राइस में से हम डिस्काउंट को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 650 minus 78, that is equals to rupees 572. फॉर्मूला मेथड, नेट सेलिंग प्राइस जो होती है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट अपॉन 100 इंटू मार्क प्राइस. सो 100 माइनस 12 अपॉन 100 इंटू 650, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज 572. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट. सक्सेसिव मीन्स एक डिस्काउंट के ऊपर दूसरा डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है. सपोज दैट 30% डिस्काउंट इज गिवन ऑन बुक. आफ्टर दैट अ 20% डिस्काउंट इज गिवन ऑन द रिड्यूस प्राइस. मीन्स जो प्राइस रिड्यूस हुई थी डिस्काउंट देने का उस पर भी 20% डिस्काउंट दिया गया है. देन वी से दैट द सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट ऑफ 30% एंड 20% हैव बीन गिवन ऑन द बुक्स. नाउ विल टेक एन एग्जांपल. What single discount is equivalent to two successive discount, 35% and 10%? So let the mark price be rupees 100. Suppose किया हमने mark price rupees 100 है. First discount that is rupees 35. So price after discount 100 minus 35, that is 65 rupees. Second discount, that is 10% of 65. So 10 upon 165, that is rupees 6.50. Now price after second discount, that is 65 minus 6.50, 58.50. So what is the total percentage of discount allowed on the mark price? So single discount क्या हो जाएगा? 100 minus जो प्राइस है सेकेंड डिस्काउंट के बाद 58.50 अपॉन 100 इंटू 100, दैट इज 41.50%. जो टोटल डिस्काउंट है दैट इज 41.50%. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 9.2. critical thinking. Find the net SP when mark price is rupees 85 and discount is 20%. So here the mark price is given rupees 85 and discount that is 20%. So 85 का 20% we'll find out 17 rupees का डिस्काउंट. दैट मीन्स SP equals to mark price minus discount means 85 minus 17. ₹68. That is the selling price. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is sale tax, goods and service tax, GST. Sale tax or GST, the tax levied by the government on the sale or the purchase of item. It is collected by the shopkeeper from the customer and given to the government. शॉपकीपर है, कस्टमर को जो भी आइटम सेल करता है उसमें ऐड करके देता है एंड दे विल गिव बैक टू गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज देयरफॉर ऑलवेज ऑन द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ एन आइटम एंड एडेड द वैल्यू ऑफ द बिल. These days, however, the prices include the tax known as good or service tax, that is known as GST, gross service tax. Next is computation of sale tax. Sale tax equals to rate of sale tax multiplied by sale price upon 100. Rate of sale tax equals to sale tax upon sale price into 100%. Total amount of bill, selling price plus sale tax. Now we'll take an example. The price of the hair dryer is rupees 5,000. The sale tax charge rupees 5%. Find the bill amount. Solution: on rupees 100 the tax paid is rupees 5. So on rupees 5,000 the tax paid would be equals to rupees 5 upon 105,000, that is equals to rupees 250. So bill amount, that is equals to cost item plus sale tax. 5,000 plus 250, that is 5,250 rupees. Clear? Next is exercise 9.3. Critical thinking. Find the buying price of each of the following when 5% GST is added to the purchase of a TV at rupees 12,000. Buying price. We have to find the buying price of each item and GST is 5%. So 12,000 का 5% find out करेंगे. That is equals to rupees 600. Now spread कर देंगे 12,600 rupees after adding GST. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is, let's recall. Take the correct option. The vendor bought toffees for 6 for a rupees. How many for the rupees must he sell to gain the 20%? So as we know, the CP of 6 toffees, that is equals to rupees 1. 6 toffee का कितना है? 1. So SP of 6 toffees कितना हो जाएगा? 120% of 1. 120% of 1. That is equals to 6 by 5. Clear? Now 6 by 5 toffees sold होती है rupees 6. So 1 जो है वो होगी 6 multiplied by 5 by 6, that is equals to 5. So here C is the correct option. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.